Tucker, why are you sitting like a human?
Sonny, why are you fucking a human, dude? Can you stop standing, please?
Blue.
Ginger! Ginger! Look at me!
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Okay, but nobody can tell me and my dog aren't the cutest ones at the pool. What are you doing?
Bro, where is you going? What is you doing? Why are you riding your bike everywhere?
And that makes me question getting married. Can you think of me?
Yo, my dog swears he's human. Look at him. Blaze. Blaze.
Dougie Wuggy in the house.